Here are effective and safe home remedies for whitening underarms that you can try. 1. Lemon scrub. Natural bleaching agent plus antibacterial. Rub a slice of lemon on your underarms for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse after 10 minutes. Tip: moisturize after, as lemon can dry skin. 2. Baking soda paste. Gentle exfoliator. Mix baking soda with water, make a paste, scrub gently 2 to 3 times a week. 3. Potato juice. Natural bleaching but milder than lemon. Grate a potato, squeeze out the juice, apply on underarms, leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. 4. Aloe vera gel. Soothes irritation and brightens skin. Apply fresh aloe gel daily for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Coconut oil plus vitamin E moisturizes and lightens skin naturally. Massage a few drops daily before shower. 6. Apple cider vinegar, diluted. Kills bacteria plus lightens pigmentation. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water, apply with cotton, leave for 5 minutes, rinse. Tips to prevent dark underarms: avoid harsh deodorants, use natural alternatives like Tawas. Shave gently or switch to waxing. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. Keep underarms dry and moisturized.